Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video on this 2012 Chevy Camaro. Tools needed for this install is 1/4 screwdriver, 1/4 ratchet, 10mm socket, 7mm socket, T15 Torx, needle nose pliers, panel popper, wire crimper, T-tap connectors or quick connects, multimeter, flashlight, and safety glasses. Now let's get started. Here we have the vehicle on the lift to give you guys a better view of which bolts to remove. So go ahead and remove two 10mm bolts, securing the bottom of the bumper. After you open your hood, remove 6 plastic push pins, securing the top of the bumper. Next, we're going to remove two 10mm bolts. We have one on each side. Moving to the passenger side wheel, we're going to remove 2 push pins, securing the liner. Remove 3 T15 screws, securing the liner. Next, we're going to drop down the liner. After that, remove one 7mm bolt here. Next, we're going to remove 4 10mm bolts, securing the bumper. And last, go ahead and unplug the bumper harness. Just press down on the tab, disconnect. Now repeat the same process to the driver's side. Carefully unseat your bumper by sliding it straight back. Remove 4 7mm bolts, securing the headlight. Next, we're going to carefully unseat the headlight. We're going to lift it up. From here, we're going to disconnect the turn signal bulb by turning counterclockwise. Carefully set that aside. And unplugging the headlight. Slide back the red clip, press on the tab, disconnect. Bring over your Spyder headlight, turn it to the back, grab your turn signal. before we install it, you want to check the gasket seal, make sure it's intact to prevent any moisture. Go ahead and plug it into your headlight, turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Now you're going to grab these wires here. This is your positive, your negative. They power the halos. And I have the wires pre-tapped. So if you need further instructions on how to T-tap, you can find a link in the description. So you're going to grab your negative, connect it to your negative, and then your positive wire connects to the positive parking light wire. Next, we're going to plug in our headlight. Make sure it's secure. Slide the right clip to lock in place. We're going to tuck our wires, set them aside, make sure they don't get pinched. Carefully seat your headlight, and then reinstall your 4 7mm bolts securing your headlight. For your bottom bolt here, I'm going to use needle nose pliers to hold the bolt, and I'm going to drop it into the hole. Now we could repeat the same process to the driver's side. After installing your headlights, go ahead and seat your bumper back in place. Reinstall 2 10mm bolts, securing the top of the bumper. And reinstall the 6 plastic push pins. Moving back to the passenger side wheel, plug in your bumper harness. Make sure it's secure. Now reinstall the 4 10mm bolts, securing the bumper. And now reinstall your 7mm bolt. Reinstall 3 T15 screws, securing the liner. Go to reinstall the 2 push pins, securing the liner. Now we could repeat the same process to the driver's side. Reinstall 2 10mm bolts, securing the bottom of the bumper. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's close the hood and test the headlight functions.